Okay, good morning children. How are you? Yes, we have already completed our social second lesson. What's the name of the lesson children? Yes, globe, the model of the earth. Globe, the model of the earth. Okay children, so we have already completed two Romans from the textbook part. What are the two Romans we have already completed? Yes, one is hard words and the other one is true or false. So today we are going to learn one more Roman, that is fill in the blanks. What is the third Roman? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay, see the first one children. The yellow colored parts on the globe or are called dash forms. See the question children. The yellow colored parts on the globe are called dash forms. And you observe two colors on the globe. What are the two colors children? What are the two colors you observe on the globe? One is yellow and the other one is blue color. These are the two main colors. Actually, some more colors are there on the globe, but mainly we find these two colors on the globe. One is yellow and the other one is blue color. The yellow color indicates, what the yellow color indicates? Landforms. And what the blue color indicates? Water bodies. And once see the question children. See the question. The yellow colored parts on the globe are called dash forms. So the yellow color, what it indicates? Landforms. What's the answer? Landforms. The yellow colored parts on the globe are called landforms. See the next one. The large landforms. The large landforms on the earth are called dash. See the question carefully. The large landforms on the earth are called dash. Actually, there are two colors, and the yellow color indicates landforms and the blue color indicates water bodies. So the large landforms are called, what we call large landforms are called continents. Large landforms are called continents. What is the spelling of continents children? C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T-S. Continents. C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T-S. Continents. And how many continents you have learned? How many continents are there on the earth? There are 7 continents. So the large land forms on the earth are called continents. Clear children? Next one. The large water bodies on the earth are called dash. So in the previous plant, in the second plant, what we learned? The large landforms on the earth are called continents, right? And the large water bodies on the earth are called What are the large water bodies? The water bodies indicates blue color. That blue color indicates water bodies, and these large water bodies are called oceans. Yes, oceans. 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 See the question. The large water bodies on the earth are called oceans. Again, the large water bodies on the earth are called oceans. Let's move to the next line. A book of maps. A book of maps. A book of maps is called. A book of maps is called dash. Okay, actually, first tell me what is a map. On the globe, for example, on the globe we cannot find the places very clearly. So, and globe is very difficult to carry from place to place. That's why we can use map. And what is a map? It is a drawing of the earth or any part of it. And on the map we can clearly see, or we can clearly locate all the places on the map. Okay, so a book of maps. In the previous video I showed what is a book of maps. So that book contains lot of maps, and that book we call it as atlas. What is that book called? Atlas. See, a book of maps is called atlas. A book of maps is called atlas. A-T-L-A-S. Atlas. A-T-L-A-S. Atlas. Let's move into the last blank. Our country. Our country. Now tell me, what is the name of our country, children? Yes, India. So our country, India. Our country, India is located in dash continent. In dash continent. So first of all, what is a continent? Large landforms. Large landforms are called continents. And there are how many continents on the earth? There are 7 continents on the earth. And each continent contains countries. Each continent have some countries. And our India is a country, and our country lies in which continent? Asian continent. Asia continent. And one more speciality of this Asia continent, what is that? It is the largest continent of all the 7 continents. Listen, our country, India, is located in Asia continent. Okay, children? Okay. See the first one again. The yellow colored parts on the globe are called landforms. Next one. The large landforms on the earth are called continents. C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T-S. Continents. C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T-S. Continents. Next, the large water bodies on the earth are called oceans. O-C-E-A-N-S. Oceans. O-C-E-A-N-S. Oceans. And next one, a book of maps. A book of maps is called atlas. A book of maps is called atlas. A-T-L-A-S. Atlas. Next, our country, India, is located in Asia continent. A-S-I-A, Asia. A-S-I-A, Asia. So these are the fill in the blanks. Let's move into the next problem, that is matching. See the matching. First one is globe. Second one, the Pacific. The Pacific. Asia. Asia, Australia, Atlas, the last one, compass. Okay. And next, the largest ocean. The largest continent. The largest continent. Next one, to locate directions. To locate directions on a map. Next, a model of the earth. Next, the largest ocean. The largest ocean. The smallest ocean. And the last one, a book of maps. A book of maps. Clear, children? So, first one, globe. So, already learned what is a globe, children? A model of the earth is called globe. What is a globe? Globe is a model of the earth. And where you will find that sentence? In the option C, a model of the earth. So, globe, a model of the earth. What is a globe, children? Globe, a model of the earth. And next one, the Pacific. What is the Pacific? Oceans. There are 5 oceans. What is the ocean? Large water bodies on the earth are called oceans. And which one is the largest ocean on the earth? Pacific Ocean. So here see where it is the largest ocean. Here. So the Pacific, the largest ocean. The Pacific, the largest ocean. Next one, Asia. So Asia comes under continent or oceans? Continent. Yes, the large land forms are called continents. And how many oceans? How many continents we learned? There are 7 continents. And Asia is the largest continent on the earth. See where is the statement? The largest continent here. A. So Asia, the largest continent. Asia, the largest continent. Okay, next, 4th one, Australia. Australia, is it ocean or a continent? Yes, it is also a continent, but this is the smallest continent. Asia is the largest continent and this one is smallest continent. So Australia, actually Asia is the largest continent. Asia is the largest continent. And the 4th one, Australia, it is also comes under continent, whereas it is the smallest continent. Australia is the smallest continent. Here the sentence, the smallest continent. So Australia, the smallest continent. Okay, next one, Atlas. Atlas, what is Atlas? It is a book of maps. First of all, what is a map? Map is drawing of the earth or any part of it. So the book contains so many maps. The book contains so many maps and that book we call it as Atlas. So Atlas, a book of maps. Atlas, a book of maps. Comes to the last one, that is compass. And on the map you find this compass, and with the help of this compass we can easily locate the directions on the map. So to locate directions on a map. To locate directions on a map. That is the use of the compass. And on every map you will find this compass. And what is the use of this compass? This compass is used. This compass is used to locate the directions on a map. And one more compass is there, that is that compass looks like a watch, like that is an instrument which looks like a watch, and mainly it is used by the sailors in the oceans. In the oceans, all the four directions look similar, and they will take the help of this compass, and this compass they have a magnetic needle, one needle which always points towards the north, which always shows the north direction. If you know the one direction, you can easily find the remaining three directions. So this compass is also used by the sailors in the oceans to find directions. Okay, clear children? Shall I repeat again? Yes. Globe, it is a model of the earth. What is a globe? It is a model of the earth. Next one, the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. So the largest ocean is called the Pacific Ocean. So the Pacific, the largest ocean. And next one, Asia. Asia. So it is the largest continent, and our country India lies or present in this Asian continent. In which continent our country present? Yes, our country lies in Asia continent. Okay, next one, Australia. Australia, it is also a continent, but it is the smallest continent. So Australia, the smallest continent. And next one, Atlas. Atlas means it is a book of maps. It contains so many maps, and all the maps are present in one book, and that book we call it as Atlas. Atlas means a book of maps. Atlas, a book of maps. And last one, compass. Compass, in every map you will find this compass at the top or at the bottom of the map, and this compass helps to know the directions on a map. Now tell me children, what are the four directions you learned? Yes, one is north, south, west and east. You have to remember these four directions clearly. Okay children, so this is the matching in this lesson. And now tell me, what are the two Romans you have learned in this video? One is matching, the other one is filling the blanks. So we completed 4 Romans from this lesson. Still one more Roman is there, question and answers. So we will discuss in the next video. Okay, clear children? Okay, thank you. 2 Romans, one is matching and the other one is filling the blanks. So you have to practice. In previous video I completed true or false and hard words. So these 4 Romans you have to write each Roman one time in your prep book. Okay, clear children? And by the evening you will get your WhatsApp homework through WhatsApp. Clear children? If you see the previous videos, then only you can know the oral drilling and how to pronounce the new words from this lesson. And in this lesson there are so many new words. What are continents, what are oceans, you will find so many hard words. So if you watch the videos, then only you can know how to pronounce each and every word in this lesson. Okay children, thank you.